It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh. Oh. Shit.
Hi everyone, we are back. Welcome back to the channel. We just got the new part for the S7 in. It's the cooler hose for the radiator. The other one went kablooey. Yeah, so that's the old one that got cut right here. That's not good. So because that was not good, we have to order a new part, and it took a really long time, but it's finally here now. This is the old one. I don't know why I'm holding it, but we got the other one on there, and it looks absolutely splendid, spectacular.
So now we're gonna go ahead and
put the headlights back on, put the airbox back in, and yeah, we're gonna
go for a ride right after.
Yeah, we'll go cruise around. Yeah, it's been a while.
All right. 2 hours later.
Oh, no.
No. Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh! Oh shit! Oh, there's a fire! Yo! Oh no! Oh! Call of Duty Warzone, motherfuckers! Oh, that one's gonna be good. Woo! Oh, 3! Holy shit! Yeah. The Veloster! Veloster, no!
y'all for tuning into the video. This was a banger as per usual. Like, comment, and subscribe.
I'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next video.
Peace out.